Hi guys, we are going to. We just had our breakfast, which is amazing tacos again, and now we packed another outfit for each of us, and we are going to some beaches, and we're gonna pick coffee before we do that, and then we're gonna go do some more beaches after that. Is that right?
Yeah.
So it's a beach day. कुछ बोलेगा? This is the sand we collected from yesterday's beach. We are going to collect more sand from more beaches today and we'll see how it goes. Bye!
We are going to Waikamanu beach. This is the first beach of the day and it has taken us through a weird route. This is not a road, it's like inside of a road. It will get us back onto the road. But I'm excited for this beach. It's in a remote location. ChatGPT said that it's one of the hidden gems. Third take is third take. Hey guys, so we have come to our first spot, which is Mahokona beach. Me and my wife, we are just chilling out here. You can see we are parked right next to the beach. It's a beach, it's a beach park, but parking is right next to water.
Not a sand beach.
I can show you guys. This is our car and this is the water. The water is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but there are some crabs over there which are of the same color as the rock, so it is difficult to spot them. You want to say something, but yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, say.
Welcome to Mahokona Beach.
Mahokona Beach, okay? This is Mahokona Beach.
Yeah, we grabbed some coffee from Harvey Coffee Company, just a few minutes away from here. And we have our regular vanilla oat milk latte, which is amazing. And we also did check out a cute little gift shop where we were hoping that we could find our beautiful souvenir fridge magnet.
Tell us what is in for today, Geetika.
बात करने के लिए बोलता है फिर मेरे को बोलने देते
What is in for today? I'm giving you.
मेरे को कुछ और बोलना है.
Yeah, okay, sorry. My bad. Okay, sorry. Go on. Chepu.
Then we are going to go to few more beach parks. I haven't checked the itinerary, which was very well put together by ChatGPT, aka my husband. But we'll see. I'm pretty sure today has some beautiful beaches in store.
And Geetika is all dressed for the beach. Hawaii. Throwing Hawaiian beach vibes. She's shouting Hawaiian.
Serving.
She's screaming Hawaiian vibes through her outfit. Mine is like a schoolboy. I go to Digambar Patkar High School.
What?
This is our school uniform, guys. With striped shirts, blue plain glasses, and black pant. Just a simple guy.
Say, what is in store for today?
What is in store for today? We have an action-packed adventure. No, we don't. It is a chill day. We have decided to take it light because we walked a lot yesterday. I think we walked like 10,000 steps, more than 10,000.
12,000.
steps. Yeah, so it was a lot yesterday. So we are keeping it chill today. So just relax by the beach, eat some good food, enjoy some mimosas, drive around, explore some local markets, local cuisines, I want to check out some few more spots locally and explore some area around the resort, and then head back to hotel room. Tomorrow is again a relaxing day. Tomorrow we are not waking up early. Every day we are waking up at 6 a.m. But tomorrow we'll take a chill pill again. We are taking a chill pill for 7 days now. It's actually becoming an overdose. But yeah, tomorrow we'll take a chill pill, explore some places around the hotel, see the dolphin show, uh, maybe get into water. Today also we'll get into water. Today also we'll get into water, but not that much. But yeah, the water over here is blue turquoise, so it feels different.
What blue?
It is turquoise blue. It feels magical because of the water. So yeah, there are some hidden gems as described by ChatGPT. We are going to see that and just record for you guys. Just record some nice footages and put them together and serve you guys in a plate. This is Rahul Chaman signing off from this beach. We'll go to the next spot, shoot some B-roll footages. I think I've talked enough. I think I'm done for the day, Geetika. Now it's your turn. But yeah, we'll go to the next spot, shoot some B-roll footages, do some musty, relax. We have got a blanket with us to just chill and relax and enjoy our coffee, enjoy the views. This is Rahul Chavan and Geetika Remalpuri signing off from this location, not for the vlog. The vlog is still there. Till then, you guys enjoy. So yeah, we are heading out from here. We'll go to our next spot. Let me check what is the next spot. This was a nice relaxed spot. Spencer Beach. We are going to Spencer Beach, which is like 10-minute drive. Okay, let's get the hell out of here and go to our next spot. Say bye to Mahukona Beach. Bye Mahukona Beach. So we have set up our small little sitting place over here right next to the water. The beach, people are swimming, beach is looking very nice, beautiful. Weather is perfect. People are snorkeling over here. We have our spot right next to here, next to the water here. We are going to spend some time, chill, relax, listen to some music, and then go to our next destination. This is Spencer's Beach. Okay, let's chill. I'll set up a camera somewhere. We have left Spencer Beach Park. Now we are heading for Pet Puja because we both are very hungry. So we were craving Indian food. So we have found one. There are only 2 Indian restaurants, by the way. So I think this one which we are going to had much better options in terms of food. So we are going to try that out. We both are eating vegetarian food today. So we ordered malai kofta, 2 garlic naan, 1 yellow dal fry and rice, and we are going to eat in our car because the restaurant is closed. The restaurant is 30 minutes away, and this is the drive. I think till now I know each and every road of Big Island by heart. Like I don't even need the maps.
I'll close
No,
it.
no, wait. We had change in plans, and the rest of the beaches that we had in our plan today was around Spencer Beach Park. But now, since we are going over here for our lunch, we made some improvisation in our plans. We found beaches around this restaurant, and then after eating, we'll explore some places. But so far, we are good. We are enjoying our day. The day is beautiful. Weather is absolutely perfect. I don't think so. We have gotten any bad weather from the time we have been in Hawaii.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. We'll switch on the camera again. If we see any beautiful spots, we'll shoot some B-roll footages, which you would see now. So we have gotten our Indian food outside. I think this is dal, this is malai kofta, this is our rice, onion, garlic, and although this is the Indian restaurant, but although it is closed, we found a spot outside. I just had the first bite and it is amazing. It feels like shadi food. So malai kofta, the naan is a little bit burnt, but it's okay. We have the nice view to compensate it. Geetika is also eating. This is a date. Amazing date. So we'll eat now. We'll finish eating and then we'll head out.